Hello students, welcome back to our e-class of mathematics. I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Anukriti Gupta, your mathematics teacher. Today we will be studying number line. Let's start with our today's topic. Let us begin with a quick revision of what we studied in our previous class. Students, we studied shapes, different kinds of shapes. We studied square, rectangle, triangle, circle, and other shapes related to the same. Let's revise some of the shapes here. The first picture is of a book. Students, what is the shape of a book? Yes, since it has the opposite sides equal, so it is of rectangular shape. Students, what is the shape of a lemon? Yes, we did the activity and we figured out that lemon is of circle. Let's begin with our today's topic now, which is number line. To begin with number line, we first need to understand what is a number line. As I have written, a number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction. It is usually represented horizontally. Students, we have already done number line in our previous chapters. Here we will be learning number line to add 3 numbers. I repeat, today we will be learning number line to add 3 numbers. Let us now have a look at the picture representation of number line. So, here is the picture representation of a number line. Students, we always start from 0 whenever we represent addition or subtraction on a number line. Number line can be used to add or subtract. We can add 2 or more numbers and also we can subtract 2 or more numbers. Today we are going to learn addition on number line. 3 numbers will be added and the result we will be looking at will be our final answer. I know it is very easy for you. Let us see the representation for a certain question now. As we have studied earlier, to add 2 numbers, here the question I have taken is 6 plus 6 plus 6. So students, assume answer to be blank. On solving, what we will get? So we will begin with 0. Jumping on to 6, then hopping 6 steps further, we will reach 12. Then again hopping 6 numbers further, or we can say 6 places further in the positive direction, we get 18. As you can see on the number line, we are jumping 3 times and we always start from a 0. In adding 3 numbers, we will always jump 3 times and we will begin with 0. The number 0 has no value adding to the prefix. We will always start from 0 and put the arrows in the direction we are moving. I hope this is clear to you now. Let us have a worksheet for practice now. Here is a 4-question worksheet for you. You can solve it in your copies. Let me clear this to you that it is only for your practice purpose. So the example here is of 4 plus 10 plus 3 equals to dash. So students, we will start with a 0, jumping on to 4, then it is written plus 10. So we will jump 10 steps further. Jumping 10 steps further from 4, we reach 14. Again, jumping 3 steps further from 14, we will reach 17. And as you can see, we have to only add 3 numbers. So 17 is our final answer. We can write 17 in the box as well as we can circle it on the number line. Circling on the number line makes you perfect for the answer. You cannot forget the answer while writing it down in the box given. You can solve the worksheet in your mathematics copies. If you face any problem, please note it down. We will be discussing the problems in our next class. Let us now move to the homework section. Now we come to homework section. Students, as you all have your course book by your side now, you can open page number 77 of your course book. Yes, as you can see, it is written add 3 numbers. And all the numbers to be added are on number line. You have to do this page as your homework. No need to copy it down in your copies. You can solve it in the books only. I can read out the first one for you. The first question is 2 plus 3 plus 4. So, we will go from 0 to 2. Then it is written plus 3. Then we will hop to number 5. As if we add 2 plus 3, we will reach 5. Then we will hop 4 numbers from 5. And the final destination is 9. So we can circle number 9 and also we can write it in the box. Similarly, you will do all the other 6 questions in the book given. I hope number line topic is clear to you. If you find any difficulty, please note down the problems. We will be discussing the problems in our next class for sure. Till then, complete your homework and thank you.